This is the RedMagic 10 Pro Plus, and this is the fastest smartphone on the earth right now. Of course, I know you asked me to prove it, and of course, having used the iPhone 16 Pro with the fast A18 Pro chip, let me prove it to you. Oh, you're wondering what that intro is? That intro is the charging animation and music from the RedMagic 10 Pro series. And it is just mind-blowing. And not just that, if I decide to put this phone into the gaming mode by switching on this red button here, just watch it. Isn't that beautiful? Switching this button again takes it back to the normal mode. Okay, so let's get to the numbers. First of all, I use the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Of course, I compared it with the iPhone 16 Pro series, and these phones are flagship. They are good. But when it comes to performance, the RedMagic takes it to another level. Now, let's start from the Geekbench. You know, this is the Geekbench, the best Geekbench I got from my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And this is the score I got from the iPhone 16 Pro, from the A18 chip, which is very, very good. But then there's another phone called the RedMagic 10, which blew all of them away. So this year I'm looking for the best performance on a smartphone. But what makes this the best of the best is that cooling fan. So I don't know whether you can see it. I'm going to turn it on, and then now the fan will come on. Now you can see that cooling fan, and there is a vent here where the air goes out from, and a vent here where the air comes in from. So in terms of sustained performance, the RedMagic has it for me. So I'm giving it to the RedMagic because I've done a lot of tests, 3D tests. It is the best sustained performer smartphone of 2025. Of course, the ROG phone, the Rogue 9 series is good, but for you to get that sustained cooling, you have to use an external fan. So I want the one that is on the inside, and above all, this is very cheap. I'll put the link in the description. I got this one from their official AliExpress store because, you know, shipping from their website to my country, it's a little bit complicated. So if you want to get it, they ship worldwide also from the AliExpress store. You can also check that out. I will do a full video on why I chose this over all the smartphone options out there. Of course, the Vivo X200 Pro was very close to this, but based that my first and the highest priority is performance and sustained performance, this guy has it for me, both the performance and the value for money. It has it. So I'm going to be showing you a lot. So let me know what you want me to test on this phone. I've tested a lot of things: the camera, the front-facing camera, the performance, the benchmark. Games have been downloaded. Let me know other games you want me to play on this phone, other things you want me to test in the full review. That'll be coming out probably next week because we are still checking out a lot of things on the device. Ask me any question about the RedMagic 10 Pro Plus. Of course, the difference between the Pro and the Pro Plus is basically the battery. So anyone that has 7,050 mAh battery is the Pro Plus. Anyone that has 6,200 milliamperes battery is the Pro version. Subscribe to our YouTube because that's where I'll publish the full review. And make sure you follow me here for more interesting tech tips. Until I see you in the next one, it is peace.